Welcome back to Tech Notes. If you've got kids at home, guests on your Wi-Fi, or you just don't want anyone messing with your TV settings, this one is just for you. Let's walk through how to lock down your TV properly, apps, channels, inputs, all of it. Let's get started. Now go to Settings, All Settings, slide into General, and open System, then Safety. First thing we do is turn Safety on. The TV asks for the default pass. Yeah, it's just 4 zeros. Now before anything else, let's change that. Scroll all the way down to reset password. Type the default again, 4 zeros, and set your new code. I'm going with 2580. Type it, and now type it again. Done. New pass is ready. Back up to the top, the first thing we have is the TV ratings locks. This one is mainly parental control. You can start blocking from 4+ content all the way up to 18+. Whatever fits the kid's age. Just remember this only works when channels or apps actually send rating info, so it is not 100% perfect. And yes, you can always override it by typing the password. Next down the list, program locks. This handles channels from antenna, cable, or satellite. I don't have any active programs right now, but normally you will see options like lock, unlock, move, skip, restore, edit numbers. Basically full control over whatever's coming through broadcast. Then we go to application locks. This one is simple. You lock any app you want or lock everything at once. Even built-ins like web browser and the home dashboard are included, as you can see. Now I just will lock apps and YouTube. Once you pick an app, it gets tiny lock icon on the home screen, as you can see. Try to open it and the TV stops you with the passcode screen. Type the pass and it opens normally. And at the bottom we have input locks. Same idea but for HDMI, AV, whatever you use. Lock all inputs or pick specific ones. I will lock HDMI one. Just we try now to open a locked input. You will get the lock screen. Now you can press OK. And again type the password. And now it opens. And that's basically the whole system. One passcode controlling apps, inputs, ratings, and programs all together. Set the code you want, keep it safe, and adjust the locks the way that fits your home. If you found this helpful, please give a like and subscribe for Tech Notes for more LG TV tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.